Navigation started. Continue northwest, then in 250 feet arriving at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
Look at that cute motorcycle. Oops. Look at it. How cute it is. Oh my god, it is already getting dark. One six. There is another delivery here beside it. Which is envelope 2026. That's what I mean when I said that you need to look at your deliveries locations, because there might be deliveries beside each other, so you don't want to spend time and you want to save time. Like this, I have both deliveries with me. I'm gonna deliver the first one, and after that I'm gonna make travel to destination number 20, and then I save huge time. Now I'm going to this.
Navigation started. Continue.
This house 163. Just this one. And like that, I'm gonna go to delivery number 20 now. Delivery number 19 is also beside it.
Navigation started.
It's house 162. That's 163. I think this one. I should have taken the package number 19. To take out this package, I have to
Navigation started.
I have to turn off the car because it's a bit far away. It is beside that car up there, so his house 159. I think it is this one. Like that, I have saved lots of time. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so exhausted. I think I was delivering for 40 minutes or 35 minutes. Okay, so far I finished delivery number 20 and I have about 38 deliveries or 40, so only 20 deliveries left. Twenty deliveries left, or 18 deliveries.
Navigation started. Continue southeast. Within 150 feet turn right. Then left. 150 feet turn left. Left. Then in 250 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
No way. A
150
funeral
feet arrive
is in
at the
front of me.
destination on your left.
People who just passed.
Arrive at the destination on your left.
Somebody just passed and now they are taking the body because that's a funeral car. Okay, body bag number 81. The house is a bit far away, so I need to turn off the car. I don't want somebody to come and steal from me. Okay, I have parked. Oopsie, this one is heavy. I think the battery finished. Yeah, 10%. It's 10%. So where is this location? Where is the location? Just here. Oh my god, it is this house. Look at the dog. Okay. Hmm. 21 successful. To do is 14 stop.